Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Career Fair Crash Course, How to Talk to Recruiters. We hope that this presentation will be an opportunity for you to learn tips and strategies for successfully navigating a career fair and help you feel prepared and confident when engaging with employers. So let's jump on in. So what does a career fair look like? A career fair is an opportunity for students to network and engage with employers. It is also an opportunity for employers to share more about their organization as well as any available job openings that they currently have. The purpose of a career fair, again, is all about networking. Network with companies looking to hire UNC Charlotte students. It is also an opportunity to explore career paths and, of course, job opportunities. It is not intended for submitting job applications or shopping for freebie items. Although many of our employers bring wonderful giveaways, that is not the purpose of a career fair. It is also not intended for trying out new versions of your application materials. So in thinking about the steps you want to take before the career fair, here are some things that we would recommend. Step 1, make an action plan. Explore the employers that are attending. This information will be available on our website as well as on Hire9er. Get a good understanding of who's going to be there and what they're hiring for. Be realistic on the number of employers you will be able to visit. You only have a short window of time to meet with employers, so have an understanding of who you might want to meet with that day. And of course, arrive early. Step 2, do your research. Review the company website. Look at their mission, goals, and values. Have a good understanding of who this company is, what they're about, who their clientele is, and what is their purpose. Take that knowledge with you to the career fair and impress them with it. Look for the employer and current employees on LinkedIn. Learn more about their organization and the individuals that work for them and what they do. And of course, ask any peers or potentially faculty if they have any insight into the companies that you want to chat with. Step 3, prepare your materials. Have your resume reviewed by the Career Center. We have drop-ins every day, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. We are happy to sit down with you and go over your resume so that you can take that application document with you to the career fair feeling good and confident. Again, those drop-in hours are Monday through Friday, 10 to 3, and we do offer drop-ins both in person and virtually. Be mindful of your attire. We do recommend at least business casual, although business professional can be preferred at a career fair. We also recommend that you ensure that your LinkedIn profile is up to date and ready to go. Many employers like to look at your LinkedIn profile to see what your brand says about you. We also can review your LinkedIn profile during drop-in hours. Step 4, build your confidence. Know your experiences, values, and goals, and be able to explain your transferable courses, projects, and experiences. Have a good understanding of yourself and your skills and what you bring to the table. Have your elevator speech prepared. We'll go over that in just a moment. Be able to explain your fit and your why. Why should they hire you? How are you going to be an asset? Be prepared to answer these questions at the career fair. Career fair fact. The people you will meet with at the career fair may include HR recruiters, UNC Charlotte alumni, future coworkers, hiring managers, or future supervisors. You may meet a variety of individuals at the career fair that you could potentially work with or for one day. In thinking about your elevator pitch or speech, an elevator speech is essentially a 30-second commercial about yourself that can help break the ice and get their interaction started in the right direction. An example of an elevator pitch might be, "Hello, my name is Jane and I am a senior majoring in accounting. Last summer, I did an internship in the accounting department of Office Depot. I am interested in broadening my experience and I read that your company is embarking on a new market in Europe." Your introduction should include the following: your name, class, major, opportunities that you're seeking, any relevant experiences you may have, a highlight of your skills and strengths, and knowledge about the company. Essentially, your elevator pitch will contain this information, but do note that it may need to be molded or shaped depending on the employer that you're speaking with. And thinking about attire, here are some samples of what professional attire may look like. Clothing should fit correctly and be appropriate. A professional presence is more than just clothing. Make sure the employer is focused on what you are saying rather than anything else. I also do want to take this opportunity to let you know about our clothing closet. Here in the University Career Center, we do have a professional clothing closet available to students where you can come in at least once a semester and pick out up to 4 items of clothing. We never want attire to be a barrier for students, and we want to make sure that you go into any networking event or interview feeling confident. To come in and participate in the clothing closet, all you need to do is show up during drop-in hours, which are Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., and one of our staff members will take you back to the closet. So please keep that in mind if you are thinking about attending the career fair and you could use an outfit for that event. We are happy to help you with that. So in ending the conversation, be sure to thank the representative for their time in terms of chatting with you. Express your interest in their opportunities. Ask to leave a resume if you've not already done so. Request a business card. You do want to follow up and have that information available, so it is absolutely okay to ask for a business card. And of course, you can inquire about the application or interview process. Following up, be sure to send a thank you email within 24 hours of the career fair. Restate your interest in their available opportunity or opportunities. And if you've applied for the job, let them know. Connect with the employee representative on LinkedIn. Overall do's and don'ts when it comes to the career fair. Of course, smile, maintain eye contact, introduce yourself with an elevator speech, share why you're interested in their company, be ready to have some small talk, show enthusiasm, talk to other students when waiting in line, and of course, be yourself. Do not have a limp handshake, have no eye contact, lack confidence, enter personal space, go to an employer with no information about them, ask about salary, or go to an employer table with a buddy. Please note that we do offer a variety of in-person and virtual career fair crash course meetups leading up to all of our career fairs. You can find those opportunities in Hire Niner. That's where you can learn more about when and where they are, as well as RSVP. So if you're planning to attend a career fair, I do recommend you attend one of our meetups where we can help you feel really prepared and confident. Here's a QR code to our website. Feel free to pause this video and take a picture of that. Again, here are our drop-in hours, which again are Monday through Friday, 10 to 3. And then for any career coaching appointments, you can make those in Hire Niner. We hope that this presentation has been helpful for you, and we look forward to seeing you at one of our career fairs. Have a great day.